Here's how to fix Google Play Store keeps stopping. Now swipe up and get into your settings. So tap on settings here, and we're going to scroll down until we find the section for apps and tap on that. Once we're in here, just scroll down until you get to the Google section or G section. And first we're going to go to Google Play Services. From here, we're going to scroll down, tap on storage. We're going to clear the cache and clear the data on here. You might need to go in here and it says this is the total data. Just hit clear data and confirm. Now next we're going to go back out here and we're going to go back again and we're going to go to the Google Play Store. We're going to scroll down, tap on storage again, and we're going to clear the cache and clear the data and hit delete. Now, after we've done that, let's close out of everything and open up the Google Play Store. Keep in mind, it might take a little bit to refresh. After you've done that, you're going to tap on your profile at the top right. And then we're going to go down and tap on Settings and then open up About. At the very bottom, we're going to tap Update Play Store and see if there is an update available. If there is not an update available, let's hop out here, go back into your settings, and then we'll go to the very bottom and tap on Software Update, and then download and install a new update if there's one available.